quickly how to build your own TextFSM template with our template builder. So if you go to Slurpit templates and you make a new template, you select here your operating system, you type here your command, and then what you can do here is you can connect to one of your example devices to yeah, get the raw output. Is how you would normally get it when you do the show command. So if you select here raw output, I click on test, it tells me in this case that there is no template. Let me pause the video 2 seconds. So this is actually the example template you get normally when you open this box. And if you click test now, it will return the output from what you get normally from a router or switch. So what we can do is we can copy this and you can click here on template builder. Now if we go here, what we can do here on the left in the CLI output, we can drop the output from the device. And you can also just get it from the terminal. You don't even have to get it from our UI. You can directly get it from terminal. And then you can start building your template here, but you can also use the magic wand where AI will generate the template for you. So we click on it. And as a result, we get a template here and you can immediately test the results here without having direct access to a physical device. Now what do? We will copy this template. We go back here, we drop it in, and we can click here on validate to see if the template works. And if we remove this checkbox now, we can test it on our live device. And as you'll see, it parses the output correctly. Now you can make small changes if you want. For example, if you change the variable from time 1 here to time 1, and you do it again. It's a very basic example, but you see here it changes it as well. So you get a bit of control over your template. Well, the template builder is not perfect. So more complex situations, you will see that sometimes the template doesn't work or you have to tweak it a little bit, but it helps you kick-starting building a template. And we also loaded in here around 1,000 templates you can test with. So you can even search for a couple or click on one. It will give you an example output, an example template, and an example result. So this helps you yeah, quickly to build a template. This project is open source, so you can, if you go to our GitLab, you can just spin it up locally as well. You just have to connect your own API or your AI endpoint then to make it work. So I hope you like this video. If you have feedback, reach out to us, let us know, and we can make changes where needed.